Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna do a straight pour and I'm layering my cup. I started with white and added gold, copper, dark blue, green, light green, green metallic, more white, some coral, blue, red, more white, and pink metallic and more dark blue green and just experimenting a little bit with my colors here. I'm hoping that the blue and the red will turn into a pretty violet color, lila. Yeah, not the best silicone adding technique here. I'm really trying to learn the straight pour. I'm doing a lot of experiments. So here I start pouring. So in hindsight, I think for a better composition of the painting, I should have stopped pouring here and just had the leftovers around the edges and maybe add some more paint, because frankly there's too little in that cup. And my one of the reasons I have to do a voiceover is because my birds are making such a ruckus, and the teal I've got on my shoulder is like talking and sometimes screaming and making me quite deaf at this point. But if he isn't together with me, he'll be screaming even more. I'm so unsure about this picture. At this point, I wasn't, and especially in this light, it looks almost muddy at the edges. But I think it was much more clearer when I poured it. I should have added that paint. I don't know why I took it away, but I should have added it. Hindsight is my number one. I always have. Oh, I should have done this and I should have done that. I have been pouring for a little while now, and I've been like obsessed by pouring videos, like for the at least last 6 months. Looking at YouTube all the time. And I really like how the paint stretch out there, and you like get these cells and how the colors are layering. I'm still very unsure about the middle. Finally understood I had to put a bit more paint on the canvas. I really can recommend doing pours because it's so relaxing and almost therapeutic. If I'm like in my mind is racing and I get like million thoughts, it's so nice to just blend some paints and pour it away and just focus so totally on this. So I chose this to be my first video, a little bit because I loved how the colors came out at the end, and because a lot of the others are just fails. And I'll post those too. It's fun and learning. I think you have to do a lot of fails, and I think I'll show when I'm done experimenting with these paints. As I live in Norway, these are paints that are easily found on every shopping mall and in stores that are all around Norway. So it's finding actually one of the biggest things is to find how my paintings work, the paint work, and the ratio of adding float roll and how float roll or pour medium works, or if the adding silicone just doesn't work, or if I have to do it. And so that's a lot of the videos I'm gonna post in the future. Are gonna be maybe a little bit more explaining of mixing ratios and what kind of paint. Yeah, maybe. I'll see. To make a tutorial of Norwegian paint. No, I don't know. I can order like the stuff I see they use on the videos online, but it's very expensive. And already I'm paying like 200 to 300 krona per liter paint I use, and I use so much. So like in the bottom of that box I'm pouring the paint in, there's like hundreds and hundreds, maybe. Yeah, it's a lot of money in that. All that paint, but it's worth it because it brings a lot of joy, and even my family likes it. I think it's fun. And my son, he made a pouring, or it was a swipe, but a tutorial for his class. It was one of the first assignment I got when the school stopped because of this coronavirus. So he actually made a tutorial about swiping and acrylic pouring. That was fun. So I'm not allowed to show it though. He doesn't want me to see it even. So I'm almost done. I have to do my corners and like finishing it up. As always, I'm thinking now that I'm watching the video and I'm watching the painting as is. I think maybe I should have like just try to get the middle even more down to the corner and some of it off. I'm not sure. A part of it is quite harsh, like it's hard, and most of the painting is quite soft. The blending of the colors are so soft and nice, and then you have the very hard middle. And that's because I poured too much. I should have stopped much earlier pouring, I think. Like I'm trying to open up the wrinkles. So this is the final result. And yeah, there's me and the little Tintin. Yeah, but there, come on. Yeah. So I'm going in for a close-up, and it's so hard to focus. The lens won't focus properly. I don't know if it's the glare or the light above. Something is making the camera not work properly. Oh my pronunciation is so bad. And this is why I'm doing this in English. I don't always have that much opportunity to speak English, but I like to. And speaking a language out loud is a very good way to learn it, I think. Especially since I'm listening to myself afterwards. That's just so horrendous. Oh, look at the gold. Oh, it's so nice. Wet paintings, they are my favorites. They look so yummy. Look at that lilac color. I don't know if you call it violet. Purple. Yes, purple. In a way, I can't see the pink metallic. It's become a part of the blue and so bad focus, and the blue and the red and the purple colors, and that's kind of nice the way they blended. Like that, the only part where you really see it's red is like around that, but in real life it's more purple than red. But I think I've got like one cell or two cells that are red, and the rest of the red is just gone. Like there you can see a little bit of red. But that's so nice, that like vortex I got there. Dried results. And I like it. I like don't like the middle as much as I like the rest. Since I'm so early in my pouring career, I decided to keep it for now. So I hope you enjoyed. If you liked, press like and subscribe if you want to. That would be so awesome. Bye bye.